Ever regretted saying or doing something harsh to your child? Have you tried to apologize but faced backlash instead? Well, there are ways to apologize that not just helping to heal a child's feelings, but also to make them trust you even more. First and foremost, the apology must sound like an apology. What do I mean by this? The number one mistake that people make is they say, "I'm sorry, but." So the words that come after "but" is what you actually want to say, and that's what the child actually hears. A child's brain can pick this up very easily. So you're not sincerely apologizing, you are just protecting your ego. So that's the first step to take to really correct your mistake of being too harsh. Just straight up apology without any buts or ands or this is how it's supposed to go or let's just move on. None of that. I am sorry that I was angry. That's it. And number two, come down to their level. Make sure that you come across as someone approachable. If you were to stand up when they are sitting down or they are kneeling, in their minds you come across as someone of authority. It's just a subconscious thing. So come down to their level and sit shoulder to shoulder, because face to face might be too intimidating. They might not be ready to face you eye to eye. So shoulder to shoulder is the most appropriate way after a heated confrontation. And last but not least, remember to close out the apology by a physical touch or contact to show the sincerity even further. A fist pump, a high five, a hug, whatever it is, get the trusting hormones flowing in both of you. So watch the animated video coming up very closely to recap the point and one bonus point that's in there as well. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.
Your first instinct? Defend yourself. Resist it. That's your nervous system protecting your ego, not your child's heart. Step 1. Get low. Dropping your physical height activates their parasympathetic nervous system. You stop looking like a threat. Look at them, not at your shame. Match their eye level. Mirror neurons fire. They feel seen, not judged. Label the feeling. Saying, "You are angry," calms the amygdala. It moves the brain from fight to connect. Don't just say sorry. Provide the do-over. Give them control over the next move. It restores their autonomy and reduces their cortisol. Finally, reconnect physically. A hug releases oxytocin, reduces the stress hormones, proving that love survived the rupture.